Namaste everyone. Welcome to Chittamandara Wellness. Let's do a gentle morning practice today. Sit comfortably. Keeping your hands on thighs, closing your eyes. Center yourself to the mind, to this moment, letting go of all thought process. Bring your hands to heart center. Let's chant one round of Om to begin the session. Take a deep breath in, inhale. Rub your palms together. Place them on your eyes. Open your eyes to your palms. Look up. Namaste. Keeping your hands on your knees, let's do a seated Marjory to begin with. Pushing your chest forward, head back, elbows back. Inhale here. Exhale, round your back, bring your elbows forward, tuck your abdomen inside. Inhaling, arch back. Exhaling, round your back. Inhaling, arch back. Exhaling, round your back. Inhale, arch. Exhaling, round. Inhaling, neutral back. Exhale here. Bring your knees to the side, soles of the feet together, interlocked fingers around your toes. Begin to flap your thighs slowly. And once you're ready, flap them fast, loosening the joints, releasing the tension in your thighs, keeping your back upright. Breathing goes on, normal and natural. Ending the practice, inhaling, raise your arms up. Exhaling, let's take a twist here. Twist your body to the right, left palm on your right knee. Gazing back. You can use your left hand as a leeway and see if you can twist a little more. An excellent posture for your spine. Gazing ahead, inhaling, arms up. Exhaling, twist to the left side. Hold here and breathe. Gazing ahead, inhaling, arms up. Exhale, release. Releasing your knees, turn around, lie down on your back, keeping your feet mat hip distance apart, knees hip distance apart. Pressing your feet to the mat, inhaling, lift your hip up. Exhale all the way down. You might want to bring your feet closer to your hip. Inhale, raising up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up again. Hold here and breathe. 3, 2, Keep your knees parallel to each other. 1. Exhaling down. Inhaling, bend your knees, knees to chest. Exhale, hug your knees, head to knee. Breathe. Keeping your head down, hold back of your thighs. Start rocking side to side, up and down. Rock up and sit on your palms and knees, Marjorie. Palms shoulder distance apart, knees hip distance apart. Prepare. Inhaling, extend your right arm and left leg. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend, hold, breathe. Keep breathing, feeling the posture. Take another deep breath in. Exhaling, palm down, knee down. Let's move to the left side. Inhaling, extend your left arm and right leg. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend, hold and breathe. For 3, 2, 1. Exhaling, palm down, knee down. Marjorie. Prepare. Take a deep breath in Marjorie. Exhaling, knees off the floor, hip to ceiling. Walk your feet forward, slowly, very slowly. Bring your feet between your palms. Keeping your feet around hip distance apart or little more than hip distance apart, hands on hip. Inhale, raise up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward from your hip, half forward bend, pushing your hip back, upper body parallel. Inhale, arch. Exhale, half forward bend. Inhale, arch. Exhale, half forward bend. Hold here. Take another deep breath in. Exhaling, fold forward. Bend your, turn your feet outside, heels inside. Inhaling, squat down to Malasana. Using your elbows, push your knees outside and hands to heart center. Sometimes it's not easy to sit in Malasana. So you can use a brick or a bolster as a support and sit on that and hold the posture. Absolutely all right. Closing your eyes, feeling the posture. An excellent grounding posture, the entire lower body. Malasana is an excellent posture for women to practice. And for everyone, it helps to ground and it helps to build the strength in your ankles, your knees, as well as flexibility in your hip. Take another deep breath in, inhale here. Exhaling, palm down, hip up, feet parallel to each other. Hold your big toes with 3-finger grip. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, fold forward from your hip, head down and breathe. You may want to bend your knees little more so that your navel is on your thigh. Always protect your lower back. No need to keep your knee straight and bend your back around your back. Instead of that, bend your knees, keep your navel on thigh and fold forward. Absolutely fine. Take a deep breath in, inhaling, head up, chest up. Exhaling, palm down, leg back, Adho Mukha. In Adho Mukha, you might want to bend your knees or your heels may not touch the mat at all. It's okay. Heels can be off the mat and hold here, or heels on the mat. Keep your back neutral. Take another deep breath here. Inhale. Exhaling. Go slowly down on the mat. Forehead down. Curl your toes. Inhaling. Head up, chest up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhale up. Hold and breathe. See, bend your elbows. Roll your shoulder blade back. Do not hunch your shoulders towards your ears. Instead of that, roll it back and stay in Bhujangasana. Take another deep breath in. Exhaling all the way down. Turn around. Lie down on your back. Prepare. Bending your knees, inhaling, knees to chest. Hugging your knees, exhale, head to knee. Point your toes. Hold the posture. Breathe. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, head down. Hold your big toes with 3-finger grips. Open your knee to the side and just dangle there. Right to left. Left to right. Happy baby posture. Ananda Balasana. Take a deep breath in. Release. Exhaling. Release your feet down. Extend your feet to Shavasana. Keeping your feet mat distance apart. Arms away from your body. Palms facing ceiling. Lying down in silence. Finding the calmness. As you are lying down in Shavasana, think of one thing that you are grateful for today. It might be an opportunity or a person or a situation, and extend gratitude towards that one thing and making a choice to find that one thing every single day to be grateful for. If you have more time, lie down in Shavasana for a little longer, or else coming out of Shavasana, shaking your fingers, toes, wiggle your toes, neck side to side, keeping your feet together, interlock your fingers over your head. Inhaling, give yourself a nice stretch. Left hand on navel, left leg bend. Exhaling, turn to the right. Whenever you are ready, sit up straight in any comfortable posture. Hands on thighs, closing your eyes. Let's end this session with one round of Om chanting. Hands to heart center, Namaskara Mudra. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. Rub your palms together. Create enough heat. Place them on your eyes. Open your eyes to your palms. Look up. Namaste. Thank you so much for being part of the practice. You guys have a lovely day ahead. Namaste.